Okay, good morning everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Today again I will teach you text file, and after that I will give you some concept of class also, and then we'll start the binary file. Okay, so in my previous class I have taught you about how to count number of words starting with some specific characters. If you have any problem you can ask me, because that time the time was over. So if you have any doubt regarding that, you can ask me. I will share the screen for you so that, and also start the Python IDLE. Wait. In that last program I have made, I think text1 name I have given, text1. So print word is starting with something. So Sanidhi, you are asking some question. Do you have still problem? You can ask me.
No, sir.
नहीं सर, वो कल सॉर्ट आउट कर ली थी.
Okay. Now one more thing, like it's starting with S, like that the question will come. Those words which starts with vowel. Okay. And one more thing, you all remember the string programs which you have made in 11th class. You apply all those logic in your program now. Got it? Understood what I'm telling you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Till now I am teaching only reading only, na? I have not taught you how to write records.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Correct? Okay. So here, what I am going to do today, one read line was over or not? Read lines. Read line and read lines, both functions are, I have already taught or not? Yes or no? Please give me response quickly.
Yes, sir. Read line. Still read lines you have taught.
Read lines completed, na?
Yes, sir.
Read line also, single line and multiple lines completed.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So now today you write writing onto text file. Writing onto text file. Writing onto text file. First function, write. Write. W-R-I-T-E, write. Write function. W-R-I-T-E, write. This is the function, small letter. Write. The syntax is obj, of course, obj dot write, and here some string will come. String. ठीक है? str no. So I'll write definition for it. Writes string to a file referenced by file object, referenced by file object. One more definition you write lines. Write lines. यहाँ पे you write list. So writes all strings in list as lines to file. Writes all strings in list as lines to file referenced by file object. ये file object है. So that is used to write multiple lines, but the lines will be in the form of list, and single line is there, that will be a string. Okay. A list having number of strings. for writing number of lines. Okay. We'll come to create a file to hold, write a program to create, write a function, write a function to write some name, to write, you say some name, okay. Write some name to a text file. So we'll start a function here. We'll write the function now. Def, and I'll write the name as create, enter. And first of all, you have to open a file. So I'm writing here cf is equals to open. And I will now give the name as stud.txt. Okay, comma w to write. Okay. Now you have to write, you want to write, suppose any amount of name, some name now. Okay. So what I will do, I will take here a choice. By default, I will take it as yes. While ch equals to yes. I want to enter a name, so here I'll write ns name, which be s is equals to input, enter name, and then I will write this cf dot write. Pay attention to that. I will make some changes. S. Then I will write here ch equals to input. Press y to add more name. To add more data, more name. That's it. Okay. And obviously इसके बाद cf dot close. Close. Done. You know that a function has to be called. Only it, after that only it works. Why I'm making program in function? So that we can make two functions here in one Python program, one function to create and another function to read. So I am going to show display data. So I'm writing here disp, D-I-S-P, disp data. Any name you can give, identifier it is basically. So I will write here rf is equals to open again, and the name of the file is stud.text. Sorry, it is a text file only. When I'll teach you binary, then the mode will change. R, read. Now, what is the syntax? S is equals to simple one, rf dot read. And then finally, print S. And then rf dot close. This way. Okay. One thing you know now, if I'll run this program, you will not get any result. I will run, okay, and I'll give the name as stud student file, या name file, name, text name, text, कुछ भी दे दो, ठीक है. Invalid syntax first is showing where, just see here, ch equals to yes, of course there will be no ch equals to yes, and this is error. Of course, this is error. This is error. Okay. Now run it. Okay. No result.
सर वो अभी भी वो ch डबल इक्वल्स y के बाद आपने कोलन लगा रखा है, मतलब वो while की कंडीशन.
Yeah, it's correct. What is the reason of not executing any of you, please? Come on, say. Come on. Very
Sir,
simple.
function
Not
call
called
नहीं
the
किया.
function. Called
Main function is not written. Simple. We have to write main function. We have to call this function in main. So I will call create. It will execute. I will call disk data. It will execute. So run it. Enter name. Sanidhya. If you want to write in caps, you can. Okay. Enter. Press Y to continue. Yes. Sachet.
Sir,
SASHIT.
SASHIT. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then yes. Okay. Kratika. Enter and no. Enter. Okay. So what happens? See here the result. Sanidhya, Sachet, Kratika. Sanidhya, Sachet, and Kritika. There is, I mean, these three lines are different lines. Don't think that it's a single name, one word. You can enter 2 word, 3 word, 4 word. That's basically used to enter line. Okay, but it is showing this way. So the reason behind is that there is no end of line character. An end of line or new line character is \n. That has to be written with file. Then only it will show. And one more problem is that, see, if you want to write some data, then we should create the file. But if you want to display only, why to create it again? That is another question. So we'll make much better way the program. So one thing is here, while writing, I will do one more thing. CF dot write, and here I'll write \n. So after every line, \n is also written, so that is end of line. Okay. Next thing which I
सर
have,
अभी अपन ने एक बार कॉल करा तो वो ओरिजिनल फाइल अभी एडिट हो चुकी है मतलब
अभी तो
एक
पुरानी
line
फाइल
उसमें
रहेगी.
आज
We'll run it again.
अच्छा
Okay. C is equals to 1. Now what I'll do here, while C, you can give some more condition, but I'm giving this one. If C equals to 1, create. बेटा आप प्रोग्राम बड़ा हो जाएगा तो उससे डरना नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं है. एग्जाम में only one function will come. C equals to 2, enter disk data. Okay, now I'll execute this, run. Okay, so I'll enter the name again, ABC. Okay, yes, NHJ and BNM. Okay. Oh, add more name. Yes, enter name. Do you want to add more name? No. There is some problem. Wait. Okay. Grammar में क्या हो रहा है? CH equals to yes. Okay. CH equals to input enter C. What we are doing here? Mistake.
for
We are not reading. C is equals to int input. That's why it was in loop. Enter your choice. We can do one more thing here. Every time you should not only read. तो इस यहाँ पे भी लिख देते हैं C is equals to int input. Enter your choice. Now it's okay. Run module. Okay. So choice number 1. Enter. Create name Sachet. Yes. Raghav. Yes. Pratika. Enter. No. Or any other character, it will exit. Enter your choice now. Now see the program is running on your choice. 2. Enter. Sachet, Raghav, Kritika. Of course, Kritika के बाद ही backslash है तो ये extra space दिखा रहा है. That's not a problem. So Sachet, Raghav and Kritika. Clear है? Now what I am going to do, suppose I have stopped the system. मैं बंद करके आप choice number 3, 4 से exit कर सकते थे. Next day I came and again I want to run. Now this time I don't want to enter data. I want to display it only. 2. So what it is showing, Sachet, Raghav, Kritika. Why this data is coming? Even the system was closed. Suppose the system was closed also. The file was closed, everything. The reason is simple, because we have created a file name as stud.txt and from that file only we are reading
मैंने
data.
पूरा लिख लिया है.
Okay?
भेजता
कोई
हूँ.
problem है तो you can ask me.
2 मिनट भेजता हूँ.
Do you have any problem? You please ask. I don't think any problem is there. Do you have?
No.
Please note down the program or take the screenshot as you wish. As you wish. Okay, written program or not?
Yes, sir, written.
All of you please. Raghav. No response from Raghav. Are you there? Only
सर
your
वो हाँ स्क्रीन वो ले रहा था सर.
screenshot. Beta, that's not a good habit. If you are taking a screenshot, then you also write.
सर वो
Okay.
इतना टाइम नहीं लेता ना लिखने का.
Okay. जब मैं program, when I type now, that time only you start writing. Anyway.
ओके सर.
Now the problem of this program, suppose I have the data as, see here, Sachet, Raghav and Kritika. And suppose I want to enter choice number 1. And यहाँ पे I want to enter one more name, that is Saraza. Okay, pay attention. No. And I will display it now. So what is the problem? The problem is, as you type Saraza, as you enter choice number 1 and you enter name Saraza, all the previous names are deleted, erased, and in place of that, only one name which you have entered now is displayed. Okay, so what is the solution of it? Now remember one thing, when you create a file, please pay attention. When you create a file with W mode, it writes data from the beginning of the file, or in other words, you can say it puts the file object to the beginning of the file for writing data. So logically इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि जब शुरू से data write हुआ तो all the previous records are deleted, erased, and the new data is written from the beginning of the file. Now if you want to save the previous data as well as you want to write new data, what you can do, you simply make another function, and that is to add more records. So you will see that I'm not doing anything great. To add more records, I'm simply copying and pasting the create function. And then I'm renaming it and writing the function name. That's why I'm making the program in functions. Add more records, add more rec. Yeah, add more, add only you write, hardly makes it. That's a user define. And instead of W, I will use here A. And here I will make one more choice. I will wait, don't worry. I will explain you again. 3 colon, and I will write here add more rec. And of course choice I will increase to 3 now. Okay, I don't think any error. Object name you can change, but still in a function you are using only one file object same is there, that's not bad. देखो basically that's a local concept है ना, is defined in the add more rec. तो इस वाले CF से इसका कोई मतलब नहीं है, ये CF add more का है, ठीक है. So we'll go for this, we'll run the program. One name is there, I'll show you again. I'll start with the clear screen so that it's clear to you. No more data. So choice number 2, enter. Sir Raza is coming. Now I want to add some more records. So I will press choice number 3. Enter name. So Raghav. Yes. Ritika. No. Now I'll press enter choice number 2. Enter. So Sir Raza was the first record of first line of text. Then second is Raghav. Now it's adding. Now suppose I have switched off the system. मैंने बंद किया, मैं चला गया घर, और दूसरे दिन आके I have executed the program again, and I want to add. I want to check the list first. So I press 2. I can make a better menu also. Choice number 1 for this. If you want, I'll make it now only. So कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है. That I will make so that it's very clear कि आप कर क्या रहे हैं. Every time it will show. Simple the print statement है. Print number 1. Number 1 create data. ठीक है. Number 2 print to display data. Okay. Print number 3, add more records. Add more records. आपको समझ में आना चाहिए, कोई प्रोग्रामिंग बहुत कुछ इतना नहीं है कि बहुत बड़ी चीज है, बट कॉन्सेप्ट्स डेवलप होना चाहिए और आहिस्ता आहिस्ता करके आप कुछ भी बना सकते हैं. यू कैन राइट एनीथिंग. Run module. Okay. So this choice should also not come here. It's not looking nice. What happens? Choice should come here. Not also. Control X. C is equals to 0. I'll give initially, and after that only I will press Control V, and there is no need of this now. So it will take from here, then it will take a choice that will go and check, not exit. Okay. Run module. Okay. So see that menu is displayed. आप इसको और अच्छी तरह से edit करके you can make it to the center. ठीक है. So create data, disk data, and all that. Now you know what you have to do exactly. So to display data. Now what you want to do? You want to add one more. Okay, suppose you want to add Sir Shaju. Okay. Enter. No. Now when you will display, you see Sir Raza, Raghav, Pratika, and Sir Shaju. Got it?
सर एक बार प्लीज वो पूरा प्रोग्राम ब्रीफ कर दो, मतलब लास्ट में आते आते थोड़ा लिंक छूट गया तो.
Okay, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. देखो फर्स्ट फंक्शन I have made here as create to write data. When we write data with W, it writes data from the beginning. Suppose इसी में मैं शुरू से लिखूंगा तो ये logically इसका मतलब ये होगा कि records are erased, we are writing from the beginning. Second क्या होता है कि अगर मुझे इसी में कुछ और लिखना है तो I will not write from the beginning of the file, rather I will write end of the file. मतलब मैं यहाँ से कुछ टाइप करूंगा तो ये डेटा भी सेव रहेगा और ये भी रहेगा. ये मैं आपको समझाने के लिए बता रहा हूँ. तो जब फाइल में we have created few names such as Raza, Raghav, etc. So the W will always take the file object to the beginning of the file. File pointer भी बोलते हैं, file pointer to the beginning of the file. But once you give here a mode, it will take you to the end of the file. It will take you to the end of the file, and then it will write data for you. Got it? It will take you to the end of the file, and then it will start writing data, so that the previous record is saved, as well as it will add some more records. So all the data are saved, previous plus new one. Display data to display the records. And
सर
now
ये
we
जो
are,
आपने वेरिएबल्स ए और डब्ल्यू और आर लिए इनका भी कुछ सिग्निफिकेंस होता है क्या? मतलब मुझे लगा था सिंपल वेरिएबल्स मतलब ऐसे कंसीडर किए हैं.
where W, yes, these are the different types of modes which I have already given you, Victor. W for write, A for append, R for read. So it is in the grammar.
Oh, I for the whole time I was thinking that you were taking variables like.
No. This is the mode. Okay. It has meaning, special
sir.
special letters है ये, given with the open function. Okay. So read. Now we are having C is equals to 0. Why? Because I want to make a menu. You can write here student menu or something, result menu, whatever you want. Then you are entering here C is equals to I into input, enter your choice, etc. Got it? Got it?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Now next program I am going to make for you is to search a data. I am not having time. Okay, so in next class I will of course teach you search data, and as well as I will teach you a complete record of a student which will have the roll number, name, different marks, total, etc. After that I will also teach you the binary file, and surprisingly binary file in the previous book with the class it was given, but in the new book the class is not given at all, I think so. So I will teach you about class. Class is a very important concept. So I will teach you class first, and then I will start binary file. In your book, class is not there. So today, if you want to ask some more questions, you please ask me, and I will explain. Kritika, you are not asking anything. Raghav asked, Sashit and Sanidhya, only they are asking me. Or even Sashit is very quiet. Sanidhya is asking all the time. Please ask, no problem. I am here to solve your problem. Raghav, have you understood the concept of file? We are having just now text file. After that, I will start binary file. Then I will teach you CSV file. So many things I have to teach you. Okay? So no
Yes, sir,
problem.
वो मतलब प्रोग्राम में ही दिक्कत है, फिर वो तो आपने बता ही दिया तो अब समझ आ गया.
अब मैंने आपको क्या बोला है कि बेटा जो जितने भी टेक्स्ट में आपके बनाए हुए हैं, तो जैसे वॉवेल्स की काउंटिंग है और स्पेस की काउंटिंग है, लेटर्स की काउंटिंग है ना, कुछ भी हो, आई मीन once you know the logic in the form of file you can do it. The question will come, write a function to read. And now take this as assignment, और फिर मैं कल प्रोग्राम बनाऊंगा. This you write a function search to search a particular data slash word. Particular data slash word. Actually it's a text file, so that's why I'm taking word also. Write a function to search a particular data slash word from stud.text file. Also write main to call it. Okay. Now I'm stopping the share part. Still you have doubt, please ask me. Next class I will teach you about search, and also I will teach you about the modify and delete. A particular record you can delete also, a particular record you can modify also. So there's a particular logic for it which I'll explain in my next classes. Okay.
So सर अपन इसमें ऐसे भी यूज कर सकते हैं क्या, जैसे अपन एक टेक्स्ट फाइल बना के रख ली जिसमें सारे ऐसे स्टेटमेंट्स हैं, जैसे प्रिंट गुड मॉर्निंग, प्रिंट गुड नाइट ऐसे, और फिर अपन उस टेक्स्ट फाइल को अपने प्रोग्राम में इंपोर्ट करके और उसको प्रोग्राम में यूज कर सकते हैं.
You can read the data, you can read the data, you can read the data, call the file, use the file, you read a line or you read all the data, It depends on your logic. You can, yes, of course. This file is there. The file has to be on your system. Then you call from that path and then use in any program. Okay? Chalo. Okay, bye.
Yes, sir.
Then we'll meet again in the next
Yes,
class.
sir.
Till then, goodbye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.